Justice Department says Minnesota could be next after it announced it is suing Maine over transgender athlete policies.
Oh, this comes after multiple states have been pushing back against President Trump's executive order banning boys from girls' sports. Fox 9's So-Young Kim joins us from the newsroom tonight. So-Young, what's at stake for the state of Minnesota?
Randy Kelsey, a local attorney, tells us what's potentially at stake for failing to comply with the order is billions of dollars of federal funding to schools.
We're looking at Minnesota, we're looking at California, we're looking at many, many states, but they are the top two that should be on notice because we've been communicating with them.
U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi says Minnesota will be her next focus for legal action for failing to comply with the Trump administration's transgender athlete policy and Title IX.
This is where we are because they refuse to protect young women in their state.
This battle escalated after President Donald Trump signed an executive order earlier this year, effectively banning transgender athletes from competing in girls' sports. In Minnesota, both the State High School Sports League and state lawmakers have continued to allow transgender athlete participation in youth sports, pointing to state law prohibiting discrimination of any kind.
The issue becomes, under the Minnesota Human Rights Act, is gender identity a sex itself, or do they go by biological sex?
An attorney with experience in Title IX in the educational area says the courts need to help clarify what Title IX means today.
If the federal courts, if the U.S. Supreme Court interprets Title IX to be, just like in the UK, biological sex, well, then all the questions have answers.
And the attorney also explains once a new precedent is set in federal court, federal law overrides state law. Live in the newsroom tonight, So-Young Kim, Fox 9.